When I found out that I had won, I was completely in shock. I just thought, this is a dream come true.
I got a call saying that I had won, which was amazing.
If this happened, if you got the Kubota BX, what would you do with it? And I thought, oh man, what wouldn't I do with it?
I've gotten my dump of soil. So this is job number 1. So this is going to be turning up the soil and creating some kind of a beautiful planting here.
We used to have 4 panels here and 2 were burnt in the fires. And these will come down because we're going to change it.
With the Kubota BX, I would create a huge, beautiful, sprawling flower garden.
Every place I look, I just see potential. The big job is to expand the vegetable garden to this huge area. And I'm gonna have a lot of room for garlic, onions, potatoes.
I've always loved hollyhock flowers, and I would love to name our home Hollyhock Cottage.
When I stopped and thought about it, I thought about the reality of what this meant for us and how we're going to make such a big difference to our property with this tractor.
It's what I've been thinking about, talking about, the use of a tractor for a limited amount of time with support. This is the answer to my prayers.
Doing these improvements for me is like that first step of deserving to buy that sign and put it on the house.
This just was a game changer for me. It took me from a wannabe to someone who felt, okay, I can do this. If you notice the section here, it's brown where the soil has been turned. This was a huge, huge job that we were able to do with the use of the BX.
The biggest thing that I was able to complete was my cottage garden in that huge area in the front of my yard. It's a big, beautiful cottage garden. I bought 3 types of hibiscus, 4 kinds of hydrangea. I think I've planted at least 20 hollyhocks.
So this is my proudest achievement using the BX. My vegetable garden, and I thought, holy smokes, is this little engine that could gonna do it? And absolutely. And to me, this is a thing of beauty.
The learning curve in working with the BX is very manageable.
Now I feel a comfort level, and I even am able to adjust the bolts on the back, like understanding the mechanics of the 3-point hitch. And it's like, okay, I can do this. It's not as complicated as it looks.
It's amazing, and I can't wait to enjoy it next summer. Not quite right now, but next summer I'm going to get to enjoy that beautiful cottage garden that we've created.
I was really pleased. It met my expectations, maybe exceeded my expectations, and I'd be very pleased to own a Kubota after this experience.
I would tell them to trust a Kubota because it's going to get the job done.
I absolutely loved every minute of owning this Kubota tractor.